Trying to get an internet web browser on your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but just can't seem to find one? I'll show you how to use it properly and even set Google as your default browser so everything works the way you expect. You can open the browser in several ways. So first, from your home screen, right under your Apps channel, swipe and look for the Internet app. You can also use voice search to find it. Open Internet, and you will end up straight in the browser. And there it is. This is the built-in browsing app. You can search for anything in here just as you use the browser on your smartphone and browse any site from here. You can also use the options at the top, like the back button, pointer navigation mode, and other controls to make browsing easier. And if you want to quickly access it again later, you can simply press the Recents button in your remote and then select the Internet option from the recent apps. Alright, if you want to change the default browser to Google or anything else you usually use on your other devices, you need to go to your TV Stick's settings. From Settings to your TV, go ahead and head over to the application. Then navigate yourself to Amazon Silk app settings. In this section, scroll to the end and enter Advanced Settings. And as a search engine, select Google or any other search engine option listed in here as you wish. To apply these settings, instead of pressing the back button, just press over the home button on your remote. And now you know how to access the internet browser on your Fire TV Stick. Be with Fix369 for more tech tips.